Hello world, here is BITI or Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here is your daily 5-minute turbo update. Let's start. So guys, what's going on with Bitcoin today? Let's check this. Here is the 1 hour time frame. Every candle is 1 hour, and we see the bad ribbon band we saw yesterday. A really nice little fight to the upside from 33,000 up to this point, 36,000. A little nice upgoing Bitcoin, but then you can see it. This was the end, and it was the end on the middle line. It was the end on this blue line here. This was the end position, and from there the next dump to the downside. On the upside, on the 1 hour time frame, is still this yellow line here on 36,700. This is the EMA 200, a big resistance. And guys, we are acting in this sideways going channel. If you're zooming out a little bit more, you can see it here, along a short, along a short. It's nice to trade this sideways going parallel channel. I'm loving this sideways goings. If we have a big channel here, and you can see it, if you buy here on the downside 31,000, sell to the upside 40,000, buy in again, next long position here, short here, long here, short here, you can make money with sideways going channels. I know the most people don't like this stuff. I also, but you can make really nice money with this sideways going channels here. So for the moment, it's not nice. It's not good. It's going down, guys. And we can make another thing here. This is this parallel channel from the upside to the downside like this here. And this is our down going channel now in the 1 hour chart, in 1 hour time frame. And also you can make nice trades. If you buy here on the downside, you sell here on the upside, you make some nice profits here. Down again. Now on this down going channel, guys, if we're zooming in a little bit more, you can see this middle line is also a nice support. So a spike to the downside, the next candle, the fight back. We are for the moment in this little downtrend over the middle line, and this is also not the baddest thing. But all in all, guys, it's really bad. We have the death cross. We have so much bad things here for Bitcoin for the moment. It's not good. And let's check here now the indicators. What are telling us the MACD? And the MACD is telling us, oh, we're bearish. We are looking on this here on the downside, blue line under this brown line, yellow line, no, brown line, orange line. And yes, that means we are bearish. We are buying more and more red candles here. You can see it, and that's not so nice. The next thing we can check is the RSI. What's telling us the relative strength index. RSI, this is not the right thing. We need to watch this here. So here we are, and this is okay, we are on 37 points. You can see it here on the downside, and it's not overbought, it's not oversold, it's still okay here. And we also have a trend line. We can make it from the highest point here, from this point over this point here. This is our trend line. We are under this trend line, so RSI is okay, nothing special here. It's going down, it's no bearish divergence, it's everything is working okay. But guys, let's check this one. Also, let's check the daily chart very quick here, because I showed you yesterday on the daily chart this picture here. And this is our big sideways going channel also. And on the daily chart, we saw here this 41,000, the EMA 200 after this a big down going Bitcoin. And you can see it, it's acting really nice here in this down going channel here. And we are still in this sideways channel. The biggest thing I'm watching is this guys on the downside, 29,900. So 30,000, this is this Fibonacci. And to the upside, we have here a big resistance, ribbon band, EMA 200, and our Fibonacci 0.236 with 38,000. So guys, this is a big quick turbo update for the day. If you're going in a little bit in a 15-minute chart, you can see some trading opportunities also here. We have here on the 15-minute chart the short position with this point here, a red ribbon band. We had here a green one with this little nice upgoing Bitcoin, but you can see it here on the 15-minute chart. We also have here the EMA 200, this yellow line, and Bitcoin lost the fight against this line, down again. Here the blue middle line, back up again, but now here is the ribbon band. So it's really hard for Bitcoin. One thing we can make, if you are trading in a short time frame like this here, you can see it here. This is a trend line. This is a resistance, a red resistance. So maybe we are going up to this point like this, down again. I think it's not so good for the moment for all bulls. I think it's a bearish thing for the moment and we have to watch this. We can make a line from the downside from this point here to this point also. And you can see we are forming here a next triangle in the short time frame, in the 50-minute time frame. And yes, that's the big thing. Breaking out to the upside, breaking out to the downside. We have to watch this. If we break out on the short term, we can make very quick here one line. This is this line from the highest point to the trend line, to the downside, to the baseline. And if we are breaking out, depends always where we will break out. It's still possible to hit our target to the upside, 38,000, this Fibonacci line. But guys, if we will break down here, we have a really bad target to the downside. And this is, let's zoom out a little bit to the direction to our 29,000 to 30,000. This is to the downside, this Fibonacci line, and it's possible to go down also. So it's really hard to make trades here on this short time frame. Break out to the upside or break out to the downside, as always, guys. But we are prepared. If you are breaking out to the upside, we can make a really nice trade. If you're breaking down here, we can short Bitcoin and also can make a nice trade. So guys, that's the quick update. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. And guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Very important, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. So bye-bye. We see us tomorrow.
System activate.